What's up everyone, my name is Salman. Welcome to my channel where we talk about fashion, lifestyle, personal development, and if that sounds like content that you're interested in, be sure to subscribe. And in this video, we're going to be talking about 5 things that I wish I knew earlier. So the first thing I wish I knew earlier was don't bite your nails. You know, if I could tell myself about 5-10 years ago not to bite my nails, I would definitely tell myself that, because you see, when you bite your nails, you have this section on your nails which is called your nail bed. It's like the pink purplish section on your nail that actually, when you bite, it doesn't grow back. And you know, your nail does grow back, but your nail bed never grows back. This is very noticeable as well. So whenever you look at someone's hand and you look at the depth of their nail bed, you can tell if they used to bite their nails, because if they did bite their nail bed will be a lot smaller. Believe it or not, but it's so much more difficult to make your nails look good when your nail bed isn't that long. And you know, I used to bite my nails, and once I realized this, I was like, I was never gonna bite my nails again. And not only that, but it's also such a disgusting habit. You know, it's very unattractive, and there's so much like gunk under those nails. Like there's hair, debris, and you know, your hands touch so many things, so why are you putting that into your mouth? And just overall, it's not a good habit. I want you to take a look at your nails right now and see how there's like dirt and other debris under there, and realize that this is what you've been putting in your mouth for this whole time that you bite your nails. And if you are someone who tends to bite their nails, make sure you stop. Alright, so this next tip, it hits home for me, and this is getting your clothes fitted. See, I was very skinny, I was someone who didn't work out, and whenever I went shopping for clothes, nothing really fit me, and it just made me not want to go get new clothes, because I was just always discouraged. I'm like, oh, I don't look good in anything. Honestly, it doesn't even matter what the fit of your outfit is. You know, you can go to an H&M, you can go to Target, you can go to Walmart even, and get whatever outfit you want. It doesn't matter what the fit is. And take that same outfit now and go to a tailor, and notice how after that you look like you're ballin' with that outfit. You don't need to break your wallet and go spend a bunch of money, hundreds and thousands of dollars, getting some amazing outfit, when even that won't matter, because it's all about the fit and not really about the brand. And if you're watching and you don't get your clothes fitted, bro, what are you doing? Find a tailor that's near you and go to them and try it out and see how that changes your life. This leads me on to my next point, which I definitely wish I knew earlier, is to accessorize. Your outfit can go from like a basic outfit to an amazing outfit just by accessorizing, because you know, everyone out there is going to look the same. You know, what's going to set you apart is accessorizing, whether that's a necklace or a ring or a watch. And you know, I'm a big fan of watches myself. If you ever saw me, you'd always see me with either a watch or a ring, and I just think that it just makes your outfit look better, and it looks like you put more thought into it, even though all you really did was just throw on some accessories and just elevated your entire outfit as a whole. And I think the reason I didn't do this earlier was, you know, I wasn't really comfortable. I felt weird putting all these things on, but once I tried it out, I never went back. The next thing I would tell myself if I could go back would be to invest. And I think we've all been there, where it's like, oh, I wish I invested in Apple or Tesla or, you know, whatever, Microsoft or Google, whatever those stocks are, like 10-20 plus years ago. And imagine what you would have right now. You would be so much more well off because you used your money smart. And I think what holds most of us back is, you know, not knowing how investing works. And I know for myself, when I didn't know how investing worked, I would look at charts and be like, how am I going to understand this? I didn't even know where to purchase stocks, and I think I just didn't take the time to educate myself on how to purchase stocks, and it just was something that I felt like I couldn't get into. So my tip to you guys would be, make sure you educate yourself. There's tons of videos out there. Be smart, you know, and there's always this option of doing paper trading, which is basically a simulation of trading in real time but with fake money. So really, you can't lose anything here. And I recommend that all of you actually try this, because then you get a feel for how to trade, how to buy and sell, and try out different strategies, and you know, apply what you've actually learned. Whereas if you jump in with real money and you know, you do something wrong and you lose a little bit, that's going to end up just discouraging you. But just remember that winning and losing money is part of investing, and it's something that you get better and better at. And the fifth and final thing I wish I knew earlier was avoid network marketing. See, when I was younger, I was always open to opportunity. I was someone who would always say yes, because I was always trying to look for more and see what are the various ways of making money. When I was younger, I got approached by a gentleman who started introducing me to this opportunity, and it was more of an educational opportunity. That's how he presented it to me. And of course I was like, well, I'm not against reading a book or whatever it is that, I'm open to learning about something new. So of course I went and tried it out, and it's exactly what you think network marketing is. There's a bunch of people in a big room, and there's a bunch of people talking, saying how they're trying to live the dream, and all they do is just talk down on your job and how job is gonna ruin your life and all that. And honestly, these people, like, I don't even get me started, but all they really do is they try and motivate you and all this, and the only way any of them are making money is from recruiting and selling. And it's funny because whenever you meet one of these people, they're never successful themselves, and it's like, why am I going to listen to you when you're not even there? And it's just a major red flag. So I'm really glad that when I realized this, I decided to walk away, because if I hadn't, I would have lost so much money. And if you're someone who gets approached by one of these people, make sure you stay clear of that lane. And with that, that's all for today's video. These are 5 things I wish I knew earlier, so I'm telling you guys so that you guys are aware of them as well. If you guys enjoyed, be sure to like, subscribe down below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.